Welcome back, Drink Stuff fans. I'm Steve the Barman. In today's video, I've got another banger of a video for you. Papaya Puree, one of my favourites from the ODK range. I've got three awesome cocktails for you coming up. We're going for a whiskey, we're going for a vodka, and we're going for a bit of rum. Pure inspiration. As always, take these recipes, do what you want with them, play about, tweak them here and there, and let me know. Make sure you do subscribe to the channel. Right, let's crack on with this one. This one, shaken cocktail, and as always, I don't really name my cocktails, so get involved in the comments and just tell us, give us name suggestions. That's what we want. So, it's a shaken cocktail, and do you know, there is no alternative really for papaya puree, and I just love the flavour. Yes, we kind of do get, if you go to Waitrose, the posher supermarkets do kind of sell papayas, and I promise you, the papayas in our supermarkets ain't nothing close to what I've tasted. So I really do love the purees for this. So these are long life, shelf stable, same old, you know, stories coming out there. Once open, 3 months at the very least. Just to kind of keep on your back bar, and they're just perfect. So let's put it that way. So with these, they always do say sort of 25 servings out there, and they kind of say 30ml per serving. I don't think you need that. I genuinely believe that 15ml goes a very long way, meaning you get about 50 cocktails out of one of these, and that is absolutely bargain basement when you look at the price of them. So right, let's dive in. 15ml, 1.5 of papaya. Proper tropical fruit, this one. Oh, love it. Lovely jubbly. Right, we'll wash the rest of that out with the rest of the ingredients. So this one is a whiskey based cocktail. Now I'm going a bit crazy here. As I say, inspiration, you could use normal Jack Daniels, absolutely fine. I am going for Jack Daniels Tennesee Fire. It's a cinnamon kind of whiskey liqueur, 35%. It's still healthy strength, 35%. If you wanted to get kind of replicate the same thing, and you've got Jack Daniels, then just make yourself up some cinnamon sugar syrup. Just cinnamon, sugar, hot water, cinnamon sugar. Or you could buy some. I can't be bar. I don't make my own syrups. There's too much faff. I buy me. Anyway, right, let's crack on. Let's chat, barman. Let's chat. 50ml double bubble of your Tennessee Fire. That's what I'm using. Fireball was another brand, you know. Could use that if you really wanted to. Some lime juice. ODK's lime juice. Again, this is fresh lime juice. They just put an antioxidant in it. It's used by the wine industry just to keep it. So once opened, again, it'll keep for 30 days or so once opened. And it's just so much cheaper and virtually identical to using, if you're prepping limes and lemons in advance for a few hours for service in a few hours time, identical taste. Identical. Fresh is always better there and then, but a few hours down the line, perfect. Perfect ingredients. Right, 15ml of lime juice, ODK lime juice I've got going on. Now there's one final ingredient just before the shake, and there's another ingredient coming after the shake. Again, so I am using sugar syrup in here, and I'm just going 10ml of sugar syrup. And this is where I said, you know, if you're using a plain whiskey and you wanted to kind of recreate this, then just swap the sugar out for cinnamon sugar. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Right, ice this down. Hard, fast shake. You need to blend all that puree through your drink. So tin on, and then give it some welly. Right, when you are happy, that's all nicely shaken down. Now I just want for my fizzy stuff, and I'm going Sprite. Obviously we don't shake that because you will get wet. Good. So just want 50ml. If that's going to be too sweet for you, swap it out for soda water. Fine, absolutely fine, 50ml. And I'll just pour it into the shaker to save stirring it. Once it's in the glass, it's already blended in. If you're in a pub or bar, fresh ice and then strain. At home, shake and dump. Lovely, jubbly. And then I'm just going to top this up with crushed ice. Lovely. And then papaya, because you've got papaya at home, so garnish this with some lovely papaya or pineapple. That's the closest thing. There we go, bit of pineapple on top there. Maybe, what we got? I've even got like a little raspberry kebab going thing on there. Look at that, look. Go crazy. Right, this is cocktail number 1. Name suggestions. Oh, cinnamon. I actually found the cinnamon and papaya pairing a few months ago completely by accident. Oh my God, it is so good. I flipping love that. Right, cocktail number 2. Let's dive straight into it. Again, another highball serve, but I'm going for a little bit. This one's rum, and it's coconut rum actually. So I'm going a little bit crazy, a little bit tiki. We're going to shake this one down. First ingredient again is your papaya puree, 1.5, 15ml. And if anyone, there's a talking point for you in the comments. If any of you do use 25ml or 30ml, as the bottle suggests, let me know. But I genuinely don't think, I really don't think you need it. Genuinely don't. That's what I believe. Right, ingredient number 2, top shelf. A decent coconut rum. That's what I'm going for. You could use plain rum, not a problem. I just think coconut rum. So I'm just here to give you inspiration. 15ml. 50. 50. There, that's that one. Then pop that back up there. Then I'm going with some lime juice again. 15ml, 1.5 of lime juice. Lovely, jubbly. My sweetness is coming in the form of some orgeat, whatever you want to call it. There's a long running debate on my channel about how we say that. I'm Cornish chav, so I just say orgeat. Apparently the French say orgeat. It's essentially an almond syrup, but with hints of vanilla and orange flower water in there. It's like a proper kind of tiki ingredient. So just 10ml of orgeat. 2 more ingredients to come. The first of which is some juice. I'm going 50ml, double bubble of a pressed pineapple juice. Supermarket stuff, fine, absolutely fine. Just get pressed and squeezed. It will always taste better than concentrate, and there's just 6 pineapples in here. So 50ml of this. Then the final ingredient, I want some bitters. For me, you could go Angostura bitters, absolutely fine. The brand I just use on my other channel is Ms. Better's Bitters. That's when I drink stuff, and as I never use this, I'm just going to go for 2 dashes. There you go, 1, 2. Perfect. Right, ice that up, and then we're going to give it a good old shakedown. Fill your glass up completely with ice. There we go. And then proper welly, 10, 12 seconds. Get all that blended in. There we go. Oh. Again, pub bar, fresh ice, strain, at home, shake and dump. Lovely. Got a bit of crushed ice left, so I'm just going to top this up with crushed ice. And again, for garnish for this, well, again, whatever you fancy. If I've got a mint sprig left, bit of mint sprig, bit of pineapple. Oh, I know what we can do. Maraschino cherry. Maraschino cherry. I need my daily shot of cherry juice. Cool. There you go. Oh, amazing. Luxardo cherries. The must-have ingredient for every home bar. Amazing, amazing. So there we have it. Again, get involved with your name suggestions in the comments below. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, what's stopping you? Subscribe. Oh, that is just... Oh, I love that. Coconut, papaya, the almond notes. That is just an almond and pineapple is just a match made in heaven, but combined with papaya, delicious, absolutely delicious. Right then, the third cocktail is going to be a martini coupe kind of cocktail, but this is again absolutely delicious. Let's get another shaker out. Right, and as always, we're going to start, and this is a vodka based one, this. So I'm going to start with 15 ml of my Papaya Puree. 5. Oh, lovely. And then now let's go for the vodka. Again, be my guest if you want to use a flavoured vodka. What else we got in here? Nah, let's stick with the plain vodka. Let's let the other flavours do the work for this. But you could go flavoured vodka, not a drama. 50 ml double bubble. Going in there. Now, this works very, very well, as I found with papaya. I'm just going for a ginger liqueur. And I've got King's ginger here. Ginger papaya, very, very nice. 15 of ginger liqueur. Next ingredient, we've got some lemon juice. I'm just going ODK's lemon juice. What do I want for this? 15 ml of lemon juice. 5. 2 more ingredients coming. Actually, I'm telling a lie. 3 ingredients, but one's not kind of an ingredient. I want some pressed apple juice, 100% pressed. 50 ml of apple juice. Now I need a bit of sweetness just to kind of balance it out a little bit more, but I also want to turn this drink red. I fancied a red drink. I've got 2 yellow ones. I fancied a red drink. So I am going for, if I can find it, and I've lost it. Where's it gone? There it is, right in front of me. I'm going for some grenadine. And I just want, you never need too much grenadine. Even 5 ml would be enough in here. So I'm just going 5 ml of grenadine. We've got a bit of sweetness anyway from the papaya, and it'll just work, I promise you. Right, and the final ingredients I'm going to go for is some Stillabunt foamers. And what these are, I've done a video of this, I'll link the video up there. These foamers just kind of put it nice instead of their egg white replacement. So you just need a quarter of a pipette, a bit too much. There we go, about 1/4 to 1/3 of a pipette, and they'll just give you a nice kind of lovely froth on top there. So, right, just going to ice this down now. Tin on and then give it a hard, fast shake. Blend all that in, you should end up with a nice froth on top. Right, when you are happy that looks good. Martini glass. I'm just going to double strain this one. Look at that. Again, name suggestions in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for even more fun, amazing drinks. What are we going for? I've got some strawberries that I haven't used yet. Let's go for a strawberry on the side. Maybe a little, we've got a little bit of mint on top there. There's a little sprig, just to kind of put that on top there. There we go. So 3 awesome papaya. Honestly, let me know, give me name suggestions, let me know your favourites, and get hold of some of that.